Jo, Miss, hypp sig ibland. Hey man, are you excited to be a part of the X Factor?
Yes, I'm so excited about it. I'm performing my own original song, Friday Night.
I think they're already calling you.
Oh, you're absolutely right. Thank you, man. I wanna dance. And I wanna party all night. And I wanna enjoy this night because it's Friday night. Everybody hands up. I wanna keep moving all night. It's absolutely night. I'm gonna see ya. I'm gonna get you one way. Oh my God, I'm gonna win ya. I'm gonna get you one way. Oh my God, I'm gonna see ya. I'm gonna get you one way. Oh my God, I'm gonna win ya. I'm gonna get you.
Not us. It's not Queen.
I'm saying this.
You can play your own bloody drums then. Friends. Okay. Let's see how good a boxer you really are. Take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. All right, there we go. That's quite a cool riff, actually.